My little Bindle Hobo sack and stick hiking / camping combo. So now we got our Hobo pack opened up. So we got our little sack, got our survival mess kit and fire kit, got our garbage bags, contractor strength, a little bit of duct tape, spoon, some just water, added mac and cheese, got some bait line, and of course our backwoods tick and mosquito defense. And then we got a little repurposed water pouch here, and then our military poncho / like tarp style tent that we could make with. So this is basically a good day pack if you wanted to spend the night, or if you had to spend the night. Rolled up in my contractor strength garbage bags, I got some paracord for creating a ridge line. Got a little handkerchief, cotton, so if I needed to filter the water for a little extra protection when I'm boiling. Got a little just like cheap rope, and then some paracord already attached to my camping stakes, so I don't have to put a lot of time and effort into getting my makeshift structure ready to go. And then this is my little poncho / tarp structure. So let's see what that looks like. So I got my paracord wrapped around the tree, ready to do my trucker's hitch. I already got my loop ready, so I'm just gonna get this set up, and then I can throw my tarp over it, get some degree of shelter in case it... Alright, got our little trucker hitch ridge line ready to go. Boing, boing, boing. So let's get the tarp. So now I got a little shelter in case of the rain. We want to take a little break, use our garbage bag as something to sit on, kind of keep us from the ground if the ground was wet. And then our tarp / parka is our structure.